10th Standard Social Science, one more questions. Economics Unit 3, Money and Credit. What is money according to Robertson? According to Robertson, money is anything which is widely accepted in payment for goods or in discharge of other business obligations. What is barter system? Exchange of goods for goods without the use of money is known as barter system. Give examples for commodity money. Cattle in Greece, sheep in Rome, teeth in China, etc. Give examples for paper money. Rupee in India, dollar in the USA, pound in England, euro in Europe, yen in Japan, yuan in China. Give examples for bank money. Checks, draft, deposit, receipts, etc. Give examples for plastic money. Credit cards and debit cards. What is also called as e-money? Plastic money is also called as e-money. What are the primary or main functions of money? Medium of exchange or means of payment, measure of value. These two are the primary or main functions of money. What are the secondary functions of money? Standard of deferred payments, store of value, transfer of value. These are the secondary functions of money. When did the Indian Banking Regulation Act come into force? 1949. What is banking company? Any company which transacts the business of banking in India is known as banking company. Define the term banking. Accepting for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits of money from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise withdrawable by check, draft, order or otherwise is known as banking. How many banks were nationalized in 1969? 14. How many banks were nationalized in 1980? 6. Which bank is known as the Central Bank of India? Reserve Bank of India or RBI is known as the Central Bank of India. When was Reserve Bank of India RBI established? 1st April 1935. When was Reserve Bank of India RBI nationalized? 1st January 1949. Who has the monopoly of issuing currency notes of rupees 2 and above? Reserve Bank of India or RBI? Who issues 1 rupee note in India? 1 rupee is issued by RBI on behalf of the central government. Which bank is known as Bankers Bank? Reserve Bank of India or RBI is known as Bankers Bank. Apart from currency notes and coins, the balance in savings or current account deposits is also considered as money. Why? Because these savings can be withdrawn at short notice and the bank is liable to pay it on demand. What is demand deposit? The savings or current account deposits can be withdrawn at short notice and the bank is liable to pay it on demand. It is known as demand deposit. What is time deposit? The deposit having a fixed period of maturity is called as time deposit. What is M1? M1 is equal to currency notes and coins plus net demand deposits held in commercial banks. What is M2? M2 is equal to M1 plus savings deposits with post office saving banks. What is M3? M3 is equal to M1 plus net time deposits of commercial banks. What is M4? M4 is equal to M3 plus total deposits with post office saving banks. Which money is referred to as narrow money? M1 and M2. Which money is referred to as broad money? M3 and M4. What is the meaning of monetary policy? The measures taken to regulate credit, overall money supply in the economy, and interest rates are together called as monetary policy. What is bank rate policy? The bank rate is the rate at which the RBI lends funds to banks. What is cash reserve ratio CRR? The ratio of their deposits which the banks are required to keep with RBI is known as cash reserve ratio. What is statutory liquidity ratio, SLR? The minimum cash which the banks have to keep with themselves as a ratio of their deposits is known as statutory liquidity ratio, SLR. What is open market operations? Open market operations is the buying and selling of government securities by the central bank from and to the banks.